Hello everyone, let's start today by doing a magic trick. I have a sheet of paper and I'm going to make these papers here dance without touching it. As you can see, there is no wind, it's just the sheet of plastic and the bits of paper. How does this happen? Well, it's not really a magic trick, more to do with static electricity. First of all, let us look back, that all materials are made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of protons, neutrons and electrons, with the electrons orbiting the protons and the neutrons. Right now, why was the paper dancing when I placed a sheet above it? This has got to do with static electricity. Static electricity is a buildup of electrical charges on the surface of an object. It is called static because it remains in one area for a while and does not flow. Static charge happens when two surfaces touch each other and the electrons move from one object to another, like how the papers moved when the plastic sheet was placed above it. When you rub items quickly, you tend to build up a large charge, and items with similar charges will repel each other, while items with different charges will attract each other. It works on the same principle as the magnets, right? There are other experiments that you can do to test for static electricity. We were going to do an experiment to test static electricity in our daily lives. Right. I have here a piece of plastic ruler and a woolen cloth. I'm going to rub this ruler on the cloth just a little while. Right. Now I shall open the tap. Just let the water trickle a little bit, not too much, until you have a trickle. Okay. And now you place the ruler near the trickle of water, and let's see. When I place the ruler near the trickle of water, you can see that the water bending towards the ruler. This is caused by static electricity. Okay. So what happened when we placed the ruler near the trickle of water? When the plastic ruler is rubbed with this piece of cloth, negative charges moved to its surface, giving the ruler electron charges. The water trickle from the tap is positive charges. When we put the ruler close to the trickle of water, the trickle bends towards the ruler because the positive charges in it are attracted to the negative charges on the ruler. The negative charges of the water are pushed away, leaving the water with positive charges. Why does the trickle not get fully attracted to the ruler? I mean, it was just a small little bend towards the ruler. That is because we still adhere to the rules of gravity. Right. Once again, gravity, static electricity, is a buildup of charges that remain on its place and does not flow from one area to another. You can test for static electricity in many other phenomena in your house, including your TV screen. So I wish you all the best with these experiments, and we will see you together in another episode for Science Around the House.